Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Friends, I am back with another very useful video for you, that is appreciation of the poem of Basketful of Moonlight. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इयत्ता 10वी वर्गाच्या दुसऱ्या कवितेचे म्हणजे बास्केटफुल ऑफ मूनलाईट या कवितेचे आपण ॲप्रिशिएशन ऑफ द पोएम बघणार आहोत. So let us get started. Friends. Appreciation of the poem Basketful of Moonlight. Friends, see the screen. Number 1, title. The title of the poem is Basketful of Moonlight. Second, the poet. The poet of this poem is Sunil Sharma. Friends, the poem was originally written in Dongri language and it is translated by Mr. Sunil Sharma. Third important point, rhyming scheme. In this poem, poet did not use any rhyming scheme. This poem is in free verse form. Number 4, figure of speech. In this poem, the poet used alliteration, repetition, apostrophe. These figure of speech are used. Number 5, important point, favorite line. Friends, my favorite line is, I want to show many small moons of light. I like this line because the speaker wants to enlighten his village. He also wants that his village should not be in darkness. Friends, point number 6, theme or central idea. The child is very eager to meet his father. His father goes to the city for earning. He came very late in home. The child goes to the bed by that time, so he can't meet his father. He thinks that darkness is the responsible for it. The child requests the moon to give him moonlight so that his father will come home early and he would listen the fairy tales and stories from him. 7, special features. The poem is a free verse, and the way it is described, the imaginary things will remain in our memory. The use of figure of speech, alliteration, repetition, and apostrophe is done in an effective way. The last point, why I like this poem. I like this poem because of the innocence of the speaker and the simplicity. It creates a memorable picture or image of all things and it will remain in our memory. Thank you, friends, for hearing me carefully. Please rewrite all the important points in your notebook. Thank you very much.